You've got an important Excel file and you want to know how to password protect it? Well, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. Open the Excel file. So I've got one here called Sales Reports. I'm in my files, so we've got some information here. I've added a logo to it as well, and I want to protect this information. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to File, Info, Protect Workbook, and I'll click on the little drop down here. And we get these options. You've got Encrypt with Password. So by choosing this, it means that for someone to be able to get into my Excel file, they must know my password. So I'm going to choose this. I'm going to type in a password that is memorable to me. It is case sensitive. And I need to do it again just to verify it. And there we go, my password is now set. I'm going to close down the document. It's going to ask if I want to save any changes. I'll save my changes. Now I'm going to open the document. I'm going to show you that it is password protected. There we go, it's asking for a password. I'm going to type in the wrong password. I'm going to press OK and I get a message. It says the password you supplied is not correct. It's talking about caps lock. It's saying verify that the caps lock key is off and be sure to use the correct capitalization. Reason being is because it is case sensitive. So I'm going to do it again. I'm going to open up that file again. Typed in the correct password this time, and there we go, I'm in my file now. I can now make the changes that I need to do. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you found it useful. If you could subscribe to the channel, that'd be fantastic, and now you know how to protect your files in Excel.